Yorok try bro kinong pen kan kendet kani kalong kajing pentip naka overflowing life ministry kani kajing kran kan long ha ka English ba ka kasi ti ngan sedang shwa da ka English ba ngan sapen kelas kasi. This is an announcement from Overflowing Life Ministry, Shillong, India, that our ministry, in partnership with Discipleship Movement India, led by Mr. Dipankar Paul and his team, will be conducting a 2-day kickstart seminar on the 14th and 15th of May 2022. That is Saturday and Sunday. The venue will be at Pine Brook, Umbang, Ribhoi district, Meghalaya, India. During these 2 days seminar on discipleship, you will be taught or you will be learning the following points in practical, not just in theory but in practical. So the following points are: you will be knowing whether you have been born again. You will know how to receive new life in Christ. You will be taught how to lead others to new life in Christ. And then you will be practically taught how to heal the sick and cast out demons, how to live life like a disciple of Christ, and then how to make disciples and multiply. There will be spot registration, and no amount will be charged, but it will be based on your free offering or donation. Food will be served since the seminar will start from 9 to 5. So for more information, you can contact Mr. W. Shanbor Langsweer, leader of Overflowing Life Ministry, Shillong, India. The contact number is 977-44-37536. I repeat, the contact number is 977-44-37536. I will translate this into the Khasi language. Ka Overflowing Life Ministry, Shillong, India, ringkat bat ka jinges nok tilang bat ka Discipleship Movement India kabalayalam da iba dipankar bat ki parlok jungi kan penlong ya ka kickstart seminar kaba arsngi kata haka khatsau bat khatsantrik jong u benai me arhaja arpuar kabalong ka sngi satjan bat ka sngi ublai nadu kapor kandai baji hadu san baji kandan ru ka jing ai ka jing bam bat ya ka sha ka registration kan long hang tu hi bat anam pha ban siu kan no ka shang ka jing bet jong fi ba fila banai bat kini ki ka jingyo ka ba fila ban donate gi bangi khamda bu dor ka long ban let shakabam ha tu ka sngi namar kan long na du khandai du san ti makwa ban batai shu ipi ka ka ba pinyo jing man toy na kani kan seminar kamlong tang ka ba shu hikai da kiktin na ni pin shu snap da theory nrai kan long ka practical kamot ban da pen I da hikam ka jing hikai ban kong ka long ka ba kumno ba fin so thu shisha ba la fila yo mat ne me ka jing kha arsin kumno fila yo mat sian me ka ta jing em ka ba thamai ho Jesus Christ ka ba ar ka long kumno ba fin yalam ni ki wei pat shau Jesus Christ kandan ka jing hikai ru kumno ba fin pen khia igi bapang bat ban be no igi sut om tang ban shu hikai de kentin rei pindai I hang to dan ke practical training. Teka pasal kalau kumno ba film kum uta usenran jong Jesus Christ. But kandan ka jing hikai kumno ba fin penlong senran iki bai. But ban pen karai kini ki senran. Teka ni hi kalong ban pen ki empat ka jing im Kristan. Pila nak jing yo jing hikai nang ni pat pila ban ra. Kani syaki balang jong fi begidan. Syaki parlak jong fi syaki bahayang bahasan jong fi. Di ban kamtip kambanya kani pila ban kontak ya iba shanbor lang swear nong yalam jong ka overflowing life ministry kontak number deuni handai nyo sao lai nyo san lai nriu madong biang kontak number de handai nyo sao lai nyo san lai nriu. Kublai shibun nakabenta ka burang ublay. Amen.